Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain what search intent is, why you should know this, and how to check the search intent of any keyword. Let's get started. Let's first see what is search intent. Search intent is the goal behind a user search query. When someone types something into Google, they are looking for a specific type of result. Let's say if I search for best budget smartphones 2025, am I looking for a definition? No. Am I looking to buy a phone right now? No. When I type this, I am most likely comparing different options before making a purchase. And that's why you can see all the search results are comparison posts. That's what search intent is. It tells us whether the user wants information, navigation, product research, or to make a purchase. Now let's see why search intent is important for SEO. If you don't match the intent of a keyword, you won't rank well. Google is smart enough to show results that best match what people are actually looking for. Let's take an example. If I search for how to bake a cake, you can see the top results are recipes, blog posts, and tutorial videos. You don't see any product pages selling cakes because that's not what users want. But now if I search for buy chocolate cake online, you can see top results are e-commerce websites and local bakeries. You don't see blog posts or recipes because Google knows the user wants to buy, not learn. This is why aligning your content with search intent is crucial. If you write a blog post targeting a buy now keyword, it won't rank well because Google prioritizes product pages. Now let's discuss the types of search intent. There are 4 types of search intent: navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. Now let's see what these are. The first one is navigational. Navigational intent is when users search for a specific website or brand. They already know where they want to go and just need a quick way to find it. Let's say if someone searches for Facebook login, then they are not looking for a blog about Facebook. They just want to go straight to the login page, and that's why you can see it's ranking at the top. Similarly, if I type YouTube homepage, then you will see YouTube at the top. And if someone searches for Amazon customer support, then their customer support page will rank at the top. So this type of intent is called navigational intent, where people know where they want to go and just need a quick way to find it. Next type of search intent is informational intent. It's when users want to learn something. They are looking for definitions, explanations, or how-to guides, but they are not ready to buy yet. Let's say if someone searches for what is digital marketing. So they want to learn about digital marketing. They don't want to buy digital marketing courses. Similarly, if someone types how does SEO work, they want to know how SEO works. That's why you can see blog posts are ranking for this keyword. And if you search for what is cryptocurrency, again you will see a definition at the top, and then blog posts, Wikipedia, and other blog posts. For this type of intent, you will see blog posts, Wikipedia, and how-to guides. The third type of intent is commercial intent. It's when users are researching products or services before making a purchase. They compare options, read reviews, and look for recommendations. Let's see the example of a keyword with commercial intent. So best gaming laptop 2024. Here people want to compare different options before making a purchase. So you can see all the comparison posts are ranking for this keyword. For this type of intent, users are comparing different products or looking for reviews. If you type best wireless headphones under $100, so you can see you will see different options before making a purchase. Similarly, iPhone 15 versus Samsung S23. You will see detailed comparisons, and they will help you to make the right decision. The fourth type of intent is transactional intent. It's when users are ready to take action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up, or booking a service. They know what they want and are looking for the best place to get it. Let's see this example. If someone types buy MacBook Air M2, Users know what they want and are ready to make a purchase. That's why you'll see product pages for this type of intent. Similarly, if you type for buy Nike running shoes, you will see product pages. Similarly, if you search for cheap web hosting deals or order pizza near me. So these were the 4 types of intent. Now let's see how you can identify search intent for any keyword. It's very simple. Search your keyword in Google, look at the top ranking results. Are they blog posts, product pages, or something else? Check the type of content ranking. If blogs and guides are ranking, it's informational intent. If product pages are ranking, then it's transactional intent. If reviews and best of lists are ranking, then this means that keyword has commercial intent. You can use SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. They also label keywords with their intent, but I will recommend don't trust on those. Whenever you want to target a keyword, go to Google, search the keyword and see the type of results for that keyword, and then decide what type of page you should create. If you want higher rankings on Google, make sure your content matches the search intent of your keywords. For blog posts, target informational and commercial keywords. For product pages, target transactional keywords. For affiliate marketing, target commercial intent keywords. That's it for today's video. Now you know what search intent is, why it matters, and how to optimize for it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with any SEO questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.